Welcome back and happy Friday everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple, lightweight tray that's perfect for weighing difficult or messy material on a precision scale. I made one for last week's video so I didn't get rocket fuel everywhere and it worked like a charm. However, the rocket engines that I made didn't do so well, so keep an eye out for a new experiment where all the mistakes will be corrected. Alright, to get started, grab a 3x5 inch index card and some tape. If you can, try to get some heavyweight index cards. These are the only two materials that go into making the tray, although to help us we'll need some scissors, a pen, a ruler, and if you want, some small grid graphing paper. To form a box shape, we'll be cutting off the corners of the index card. Standard tape is 3/4 of an inch or about 19mm wide, so let's make that the length and width of the corners that we cut out. You can cut smaller squares out if you like a shorter, more pan-like tray, but then it becomes harder to tape together and the excess tape has to be trimmed. A ruler should be used when drawing the corners for a better result. You can draw out the 4 corners if you like, but I prefer to just outline and cut out a 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch square from the grid paper so that I can just use it as a stencil as many times as I want. Once all 4 corners are drawn, cut them out with some scissors. Next, start folding up the sides on the same invisible line that the corners are cut out. It's pretty helpful to use a ruler to help you line it up and create a uniform fold. With all the sides folded up, tear off a small piece of tape and put it on the outside corner as you hold the 2 sides together. It should end up being pretty seamless if you did it right. Go ahead and tape the other 3 corners together. When those are all taped, our tray is done. It's great for measuring round objects and powders, and it can even handle liquids. However, if you want to weigh liquids, I recommend using a tall soda can instead of an index card. Just cut it open, roll it over a round surface to take the curve out, and trim it to size. Be careful if you do this though, because the edges can be really sharp. When finished, it works well with small amounts of liquid, but more water pressure may cause it to slowly leak out. Perhaps some epoxy or even a weld could make this more waterproof? Well, that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider hitting that subscribe button. If you missed last week's video, feel free to check it out on the left side over here. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next Friday.